Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this quick and easy delicious sweet, so keep on watching. For this I've taken 2 cups of desiccated coconut and to that add half a cup of milk powder. Mix it well. Next add half a cup of condensed milk and mix it with a spoon at first and then combine it with your fingers to form a smooth dough. Now split the dough into 2 equal parts and into one bowl add half a cup of chopped nuts. You can add any of your choice. I've added chopped almonds and pistachios. Mix it well and to the next one add a few drops of food coloring. Now mix that well too. Now roll out the one containing the nuts and into a butter paper. Shape it according to your preference. I'm making a triangular shape. Next, take the pink dough that I've mixed the food coloring in and flatten it out into a rectangular shape. Now put the other dough inside this and wrap it around. Now place this again inside a butter paper and smoothen it out into the shape that you like. Now refrigerate this for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you can take it out of the refrigerator and cut it into pieces. So our delicious sweet is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other recipes and until next time, bye bye.